Oh, okay. So we'll just do this last one, number, another 16, sorry. We're going to do 16 also. Huh? Oh, I turned it off and on. See, it's on 12 seconds. Yeah, but thank you for watching. I know, I'm going to do a problem. Right? It's only been going, I just turned it on 16 seconds ago. There we go. We're going to do number 16. So we wasted 30 seconds of someone's time already. Whoever's watching it. That's 30 seconds they'll never get back. So this is number 16 on lesson 40. So this is sine of negative 19 pi over 6 plus sine of 13 pi over 6. Well, get out my reference angles. Or do you want me, I'm going to show how to just use the unit multiplier on it. Negative 19 pi over 6. So this one is yours, Cameron. I'm just going to show how you can find out the degree measure on that just by multiplying by 180 over pi. The reason I'm allowed to do that is because 180 and pi are the same, they're half a circle. They're both half a circle. So the pi's will cancel out. The 6 can cancel out with the 18 because 6 times 3 is 18. So that gives me 19 times 30. Well, that's some big number that I don't really want to... Well, I'll find it out. I don't know what 19 times 30 is. 570. So that's actually negative 570. Oops. Negative 570 degrees. So I don't usually do these that way, but I'm just showing it in case you didn't get the other way I was doing it. When I have a big angle like this, don't we like to subtract some 360s off it? Because if you try to locate that angle, you're going to be going like this. 90, 180, 270, 360, 450, can I count by nines? 540, 630, 720. Oh, well, anyway, it was in there somewhere, wasn't it? Yeah, it was in here. But I don't usually do it that way. Don't you guys all usually just subtract some 360s off there? That's what I do. I go 570, and I'd take a 720 off it, but it's not big enough. So I take a 360 off it, shave it down a little bit. I find out that it's 210. So really that would be 180. That's about 210. It's not drawn to scale, and it doesn't even look like a triangle. There it is. Yeah, because see, it's negative 210. Well, so what I did is it was 570, and I got tired of going this way. Remember how I just did it a second ago? 90, 180, 360, or all the way around once is 360, right? And then that's 450, and that's 540, and that's 630, so like it's somewhere in between here. But I just did that to show you what I'm going to do on this one. I'm going to subtract some 2 pi's off of it first before because see, wasn't this kind of a hassle? I had to do all this, and then I got the big giant number, and I had to go around and around and around. So it's easier, like in this case with degrees, you can just subtract. I don't want to go around the circle a whole bunch of times. I'm going to subtract a 360 off it, and then I can just go negative 210, which gives me the same reference triangle. I'm in quadrant 2. I got sine. What did we say did we figure out what this was? Is it 30 or 60? That's 180, and this is 210. So it's 30. Yeah. And so that's 1, and that's root 3. Oops, that's a 3. And that's 2. And sine is the so it's opposite over hypotenuse. It's a half. This whole thing's a half, and it's positive. Okay, all that trouble for that. This one, let's do it the easy way. We got 13 pi over 6. I'm going to, what would 2 pi be if it had a denominator of 6? What would 2 pi be if it had a denominator of 6? Yeah. Or, in other words, would 12 pi over 6 be equal to 2 pi? Yes. So I can subtract 12 pi over 6 off of this thing, just like when I subtracted 360 off of this. 12 pi over 6 just gives, so that's really just 1 pi over 6. And I know that pi over 6, well, I wrote them all down right here. 1 pi over 6 is 30 degrees. So that's just simply 30 degrees, because it's once around plus 30 degrees. So that's just sine of 30. And sine of 30, we know, there it is. It's 1, oh, didn't we run out of time? Ah! 1 root 3, 2. Sine opposite over, it's a half. Okay, so did you guys all get 1 for number 16?
Yeah.
Okay.